Hello everybody, this is Mizuki, who is from Japan. Today I want to introduce you how to fold Shuriken with origami. This is my first origami lecture video, so enjoy! And let's get started! First, prepare 2 sheets of square paper. Once you favor, let's get started. If you're using origami like me, you put the color size down so that those colors will show up. Grab the bottom line and fold it to bottom line to meet the top line. Fold it firmly with using your fingers and nails. Open it and grab the bottom line again, and now fold it onto the center line where we just made a crease. Then turn it 180 degrees and do the same thing. Grab the bottom line and fold it onto the center line. Great! Then now make it in half. Then put it vertically and grab the bottom line and make it in half. Fold it firmly. Great! So now we should do the same thing for the other piece. Now we have 2 parts, and grab the down right corner and grab the side. The right side should meet the top line, and you see the little triangle there. Turn it 180 degrees and grab the down right corner. Same thing. Make it as triangle. Now the other one. So it is important. Right side, no. You should grab left down corner, and left side should meet the top line and make a little triangle. Turn it and grab left down corner and make it as a triangle. Great! Now you see the long side and short side. You should grab long side's corner, and bottom line should meet the center line. And you see there is a little bit bigger triangle. Turn it and do the same thing. Grab the right down corner and make a triangle. The other one too, so grab the long size corner and make a triangle. Turn it, grab the long size corner and fold it down and make a triangle there. Now we got the 2 parts, so let's combine. So put it together as vertical and grab the corner and make a triangle. Once you make a crease, you should put the part inside the bigger triangle, the blue one. The other side, same thing. Fold it to make a triangle and put it in the other parts. Turn it over. Do the same thing. So grab the corner, fold it, then make a triangle. So by now it is becoming very thicker. So you should be very patient to do that. So put it in the other parts and the other side too. Fold it, tight. Yeah, a little bit adjustment is fine. It's getting hotter. Oops. Yeah, now you got the Shuriken. Great. Great job, folks. Thank you for watching. I hope you were enjoying. And see you soon. Bye-bye.